forget the accent. English is my second language. So sorry if it sounds like I'm making up words, because sometimes I do. I think in Spanish and then blah, it comes out like in Spanglish mixed. So, all right, let's get started with this. What you're going to learn today. So, first, obviously, how to use ChatGPT, how to get to it, what is it, and then I'll show you how to put it on your phone. Your first 5 prompts to try, what is AI in plain English, and how to talk to AI effectively, because there are good ways and bad ways, believe it or not. So, what is AI? Okay, think of it as a very smart computer assistant. It understands what you write or say. So, different than Alexa, where you have to say exact lines and then it has like pre-recorded answers. AI actually understands what you say, and sometimes it'll correct you and say, did you mean to say this? And then you can just reply yes, because they have trained it to speak various languages and it knows every word in the vocabulary, so it actually understands what you're saying. It can think through problems, it can give you helpful answers and suggestions. It helps with writing and planning and learning. AI is like having a patient teacher that never gets tired. It's true, you can ask it as many questions as you want. It's not going to get mad at you. Okay, you can ask it all you want all day long. So it's like a librarian. It knows all of the books out there. It's a writing assistant. It's a recipe expert. It's a it's a helpful neighbor. Basically, it's going to become your best friend. So here we go on how to get ChatGPT on your phone. Let me show you. Okay, so here is my phone. Let me show you. If you're on Android, you go to the Play Store or wherever you download your apps from. Okay, usually on Android, it's on the Play Store. So you click on that, and then down here where it says search, you're going to click on search, and up here in the bar, you're going to type ChatGPT, one word, no spaces. Sometimes it'll just auto-suggest there and you select it. And then I already have it installed, so my button says open. Yours is going to say install, so just click on it and click install. Then when you open it, the first thing you're going to see is this screen. Usually when you sign up, you just have to log in using your email. It's very easy if you have Gmail. Okay, so then once you get to this screen, you can ask it anything right here at the bottom where it says ask anything. And the bad thing is if you don't sign up, then your chats are all lost as soon as you close the app, right? But if you log in with your email, then all your chats will be saved and your prompts will be saved and your history will be saved. And so there's just a lot more you can do if you actually log in with your email. Okay, so I'm going to teach you how to use it on your desktop. When you launch your Google browser, up here on the address bar, you can either type openai.com or chatgpt.com. Either one will take you to it, okay? So if we go to chatgpt.com, I'm going to assume this is your guys' first time and you don't have an account. So normally I'm going to click sign up instead of login. Normally I just log in. But this is what the sign up page looks like. You put your email address up here, unless you have a Gmail. If your email ends with @gmail.com, then you just click continue with Google. And then there's continue with phone, with Apple, with Microsoft accounts. I would suggest just use your email. Don't use your phone. Because if you forget, if you lose your phone, it's probably going to send you text messages, and now you're doing the whole two-step verification, and it just gets more complicated. So let's just use our email. I'm going to use my Google, and then I choose my Gmail account, and that's what the landing page looks like.